This 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 21G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 26 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 6, oven, smoke detector, refrigerator, slide-out, CO detector, microwave, spare tire kit, DVD player, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, bunkhouse, couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, patio deck, raised patio, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 21G is 6,400 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.